Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Online Biology Tutorials. Students, this is to help you so that you can come up with the right answer of assertion and reason based questions. So stay tuned till the last because the strategy that will be told here, it will be worthy for you. So before coming to the question of assertion and reason based questions, let's read out the options first because these should definitely be there in your mind. Now in the exams, your first strategy should be there that you don't have to waste time in reading the options. These should be there in your mind imprinted. Okay. Option A will be chosen in case assertion and reason they come out to be true and reason is giving you the correct explanation of assertion. Whereas option B will be chosen if A and R both come out to be true but the reason is not giving correct explanation of assertion. Option C should be chosen in case assertion is true but reason is false, whereas option D should be chosen if A is false and R is true. So let's come on to our question now. It says hemophilia is a X-linked disorder. So it is absolutely correct. There is no doubt about it that this is carried by the sex chromosomes. Female, their genotype, if they are affected with hemophilia, it is shown like this. And if males, they suffer from hemophilia, they are hemizygous for the trait. So their genotype will be represented like this. So in the case of affected human beings, the genotype of female will be represented by this and of male it will be represented like this. So we have worked out that assertion is true. Let's read on. With reason for a female to be affected with hemophilia, one recessive allele is required. You have seen here how many recessive alleles are there? One, this one, and this is the another one. So correct answer to is 2 recessive alleles are required in case the woman is suffering from hemophilia. So this statement is absolutely incorrect and incorrect means false. That means in this case, option A is ruled out, option B is also ruled out, and as assertion is true and reason is false, that means we will come out with what as an answer? Option C. So option C is going to be our right answer. Stay tuned for more such videos. Happy learning.